Hey guys! So I don't have any makeup on today and I just ate, so I might have food in my teeth. It's like 9 a.m. and I'm off today. Yeah. And I have to still clean out my closet. It's been like the ongoing project of the last 3 weeks, this being the third one. But really it's been like going on my channel for forever and I keep accumulating clothes and like getting rid of clothes, and this is my husband's, by the way. So I'm just gonna go for it today. I have to go through my shirts. This is kind of I'm thinking that this is like fine, and then I know when I like rewatch this over, I'm gonna be like, what am I doing? Why do I look like this on the internet? But I'm okay with it. So I don't have any makeup on. I just woke up like 2 hours ago and decided to do nothing but eat toast and check out my butt in the mirror and drink coffee. But I have to do this, so I'm gonna do it. I have not showered today, so sorry, everybody. And so let's get into.
So first I'm just kind of going through my clothes really quick and just taking out anything that has any stains or rips or color or paint, anything on it. I do show you guys everything that I'm actually getting rid of just off the fly. But yeah, that has been my rule for this. So it's anything that has any, paint stains, any color stains, because I do hair, that's what I do for a living, or any holes, or just like I just know I don't want, or just not in good shape, I'm getting rid of right off the bat. Okay, so here we go. This has like a weird pink stain on it. I don't even know. This one has a hole in it. This is from my old retail shop, but it actually has a hole right in the belly button area. This one's from my old retail store, and every time I wear it, I hate myself, so I'm getting rid of it. This one has color all over it. This is from Amazon. It was like $5. Look it up. So that's from Amazon, and this is from Amazon. Both have bleach on it because I've worn them both to work. Okay, so this is from my old retail shop. I love this shirt, but I have to like French tuck it. So like, do like one little tuck because I'm just way too short. I'm 5'3", and that's just what I have to do. So I'm definitely keeping this because I absolutely love this shirt. And it's like more of a dressy shirt. So I normally wear it with dress pants and not leggings like I'm wearing them right now. Okay, this shirt is another one from my old retail shop. I love this shirt. I have to just cover up the sleeves, and then it has like a cute little knot detail in the front. It's like a twist knot. It's really cute. I'm keeping this too. Another one that's like a little bit of a dressier top, so I could wear these when I'm a little bit dressier. This one is a no-brainer. I am definitely keeping this. If you guys follow me on my personal Instagram, I will link that down below. I just did the 10-year challenge, and this is the shirt that I was wearing in the present day. I love this shirt. It's from TJ Maxx. This one is also from TJ Maxx. I just got it. I'm going to keep it as like a cute little work shirt. I really wouldn't wear this out because it's just too big on me. But since it's new, it tags and it is like cute for work, I'm just going to keep it for that. Okay, this shirt is my Audrey Hepburn Breakfast at Tiffany shirt. If you guys know that movie, you know when she wears a shirt that looks just like this. It's from my retail shop. I'm keeping it. This shirt is from TJ Maxx. I'm keeping it. I love the sleeves of it, the back zipper, and I always French tuck it. This shirt is also from my retail shop, and I love this shirt. It's a mock turtleneck, and I am keeping it. This shirt is also from my retail shop, and I love this shirt. It's just like cute, sexy, casual, but dressy. This one's also from my retail shop. I am not keeping this one. This one I'm getting rid of because I feel like I don't really wear loose-fitting clothes, so when I do, I want it to be a little bit more pizzazzy than this one. It's just, this one is just a little bit too casual, dressy. It's like stuck right in the middle, so I'm going to get rid of this one. Okay, this shirt my sister just gave me. I think it's from Express or Banana Republic. I'm actually going to keep it. I love it. Super cute. I like the little back detailing, and it's another one of those like loose casual shirts, but it's a little bit more nicer and dressier. This one's from Banana Republic. My sister just gave this to me. I'm going to keep this shirt. If I'm dancing in it, that means I'm keeping it. This is the same shirt my sister got me for Christmas last year. I am definitely going to keep this. It's the same one as the pink one I just showed you, but this one's black and white, keeping it. This one's from my retail shop. These sleeves were like the shoulders were a little big, so I had to kind of knot them on top, but I am going to be keeping it because I actually like this shirt. Also from my retail shop, I'm going to be keeping this. It's a cute little crop top. I don't ever wear crop tops with low-rise pants, but in this video I did. And then this shirt's from my sister. I'm going to be keeping it. This shirt is from Goodwill. This polka dot shirt is from Goodwill. It was like $2 or something like that. I will leave the Goodwill haul tagged at the bottom of this video, so you guys can go check that one out. But I'm going to keep this, especially because I could wear it down, I could tie it up. It's just super cute, and I think it's originally from H&M. This shirt is from my sister. Not going to talk too much about it. I actually kept it in this video, and then I wore it out the other day, and I was like, don't like it, getting rid of it. This green shirt is from my sister. I'm going to keep this. It's just like a cute, casual, but dressy shirt. I like it. Gonna French tuck it. I French tuck everything. I'm just too short not to. This one I just got on Amazon. Again, it will be linked in my affiliate link. It's a crop top. I wouldn't wear it with this bra. I'd wear it with a strapless. I'm going to keep it. also from Amazon, this turtleneck. I'm going to be keeping it. And then this shirt's from my retail shop, and I am going to keep it. It's just a cute little crop top. This one is from TJ Maxx. There's like definitely a pattern going on here. It's either from TJ Maxx, my retail shop, or Amazon, or my sister. This one's from my retail shop. I was thinking about keeping it, and then I was like, I tried on some more shirts and I went back to it and I was like, I'm actually going to get rid of it because it's a size medium. It's a little big on me. And I just feel like there's just no reason to have clothes that like I have to fuss with or that are just too big on me or whatnot. This used to be a bodysuit. I got it from TJ Maxx. Bodysuits don't fit me. So I cut it off and now it's a crop top and I'm keeping it. This one's from Amazon, keeping it. It's a crop top. This one's from TJ Maxx. This is a button down shirt. It looks ridiculous if I don't hold it like this, but I would wear it like that and not like this, like a balloon. This looks like an actual balloon. I'm not even sure what's going on here. Anybody know what's going on here? What? Who designs a shirt like this? I don't know, but it's brand new. This one's from my sister. I don't like shirts where you can see the bra in the back, and like I'm getting rid of this. No, we're getting rid of it. This one, I wasn't sure if I got rid of it or if I kept it, but I actually got rid of it. Yeah, so it was okay. It was cute. It's just a little low cut for me. I don't wear things that are super low cut or like super revealing. And I don't want to have to walk around all day worrying that it's going to like fall down and show all the goods. So I got rid of that. And I also got rid of this yellow shirt. It just didn't do anything for me. It's from my sister. This shirt is from TJ Maxx. I just got it. I haven't worn it yet. And I'm going to keep it. This one's from my old retail shop. Definitely keeping it. I love that shirt. This one's from Amazon and I am keeping it. I have a bunch of shirts. See, like this one too from Amazon. Keep my brown one also from Amazon and keeping it. This one was for my sister. I was keeping it. Now I'm getting rid of it. This one I am keeping. And I have two more that look just like it in black and gray, all from Amazon. Here's another shirt from Amazon in black. It's a cute crop top and it has like a crisscross in the back and it came with like a bunch of them. Here they all are. So I'm keeping all of them. This one's also from Amazon. I think it was $4 on Amazon and I am keeping it. This one is from my sister. I originally kept it and then when I was rewatching this, editing it, I was like, oh no. And this one too. I was like, no, getting rid of these. This one I'm actually keeping because I feel like I can do cute things with this if I French tuck it. It's from my sister as well. And so was the green one. This one I'm actually going to keep. This one I was going to keep for layering, but like I just can't deal with the bra out in the back. I have to get rid of it. Same goes for this one from my sister. Was going to keep it and I just hate the bra in the back. This one is from my old retail shop. The bra is covered, which is good. So I'm keeping it. This white one I'm keeping. And then I also have it in a tan and a green. I think I got these at Marshall's. Then I have a bunch of these like guinea tees or wife beaters, whatever people call them. I got these from Amazon and a bunch of them. So here are all the ones that I have and I'm keeping all of them, especially because they cover the bra in the back. I don't like when the bra straps are showing in the back. So I try to get ones that are like wider backs. And I will have all of this linked in my Amazon affiliate link, of course. Whew, I can catch my breath for a second. Not today, ladies and gentlemen. This one's from Game of Thrones. I'm keeping it. And then I have a bunch of t-shirts. I'm not really a t-shirt person, but I do have a bunch. So I have one that has like scissors and a comb and everything for my hair. Then I have another one that's in Carol We Trust from Walking Dead, which I don't even watch anymore, but I love Carol. And then I have an I Love Audrey Hepburn black t-shirt. So I think I want to kind of cut these down and crop them, or I don't know. This one's from my retail shop. It's just a black shirt with like a fancy collar and sleeves. I'm keeping it. This one's from my retail shop. It was a dress. And when I went to go visit my sister-in-law out in California, she cut it down for me into a shirt and I love it. This one is also from my retail shop. It was a dress and I cut it down myself. I'm losing my voice. Hold on. There's no time. And then this one's also from my retail shop. It's a cardigan. I'm keeping it. And then this black shirt is from TJ Maxx and I am keeping it. I kind of went back and forth on this one, but it's nice to have a basic black shirt. My only thing is that the material is a little heavy, but I'm keeping it. This is my favorite shirt. I just took a DNA test. I love that shirt. I'm keeping it. This one's from Express from my sister, brand new with tags. She was getting rid of it. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping this shirt as well from my sister. Yeah, it's nice to have basic black shirts. Like, you can't go wrong. You really can't. This one I actually thought was really cute, but you know when a shirt's been washed too many times and it starts getting like staticky and like rough? Yeah, so I'm getting rid of it. This sweater is for my sister as well. I am keeping it. And then lastly, I have it in gray and I am keeping it. Guys, that is this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry I talked a mile a minute. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye.